Here we go.
Okay. You want to tell them?
No, you can. All right, here's Emily. And Emily's telling Lytta Grace and Wade.
A special surprise.
All right, Wade, look up.
Sit up. Mommy and Daddy have a surprise for you. Would you like to have a little brother or a little sister?
A little sister.
Guess what? Mommy has a baby in her tummy.
It's sister or brother. I think. How do you know?
Well, we know. I went to the doctor today and they said there's a baby in my tummy. And it's going to grow bigger and bigger, and then when it's born, you'll have a little brother or a little sister to be special friends.
I'm guessing that I see your big tummy.
Well, it's not that big yet. Wade, what do you think, bud? Do you want a little brother or a little sister?
A little sister.
You want a sister too? Why do you want a sister?
I can feel right here. That's where she is.
That's where she is.
Or he is.
Or he. We don't know yet if it's a boy or a girl.
But I can.
Are you going to be a good big brother, Wade?
I can be a good sister. And I'll be so happy when I have a little baby because my little baby, I can feel it.
You can feel it?
I know where she is. Just like right down at the bottom of your tummy.
She is, yeah.
Yeah. I can see that big baby. How did you go to the doctor?
And Robin took me to the doctor today.
Well, why did they say that?
And they took, remember they took a special picture of my inside Mommy's tummy to see the baby. Do you want to see the picture?
Yeah.